I love you. Honestly, I love you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And sorry for the color grading. Wait, not sorry. Let me just fix that, okay? Yeah. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is 23rd of April when I'm shooting this video. It is about, the whole of क्या बोलते थे? Like events which happened in my life while I turned 18. Like I became an adult. And so here you go. So here I was speaking about what I experienced being an adult, like moving out of my house after 18 years, staying alone without my parents, and everything else. So, by the way, meet my friend. Bolu, say hi. So, on 29th of April, 29th of April 2025, I turned 18. Like an adult. Can you imagine this kid turning into an adult? Guys, by age, I'm just adult. Baki dil se, I'm still a kid, okay? So, 29th of April, I turned an adult. I enjoyed that day with my family, like 12 o'clock. Many wishes came to me, but my parents and my baby brother, we did cut a homemade cake made by my mama at home, and then I wore the number 18 jersey and I traveled in my mama body to celebrate my birthday. Which, yeah, and my mama body is where I was born as well. So it was overall a great birthday. I mean, yeah. Also, the first thing I did when I turned 18, but I had a fantasy sort of, to open an account in dating app and see what's inside. So when I turned 18, the first shit I did was I opened an account in one of the dating apps. But after using it for 2 days, I was like, this is not my cup of shit, so I deleted it. And I have never tried it after that. So उसके बाद I did give my advance, JEE advance. Can you imagine, guys? JEE advance, like only 0.5% of the people qualify to sit for that exam, and I was one of those who did qualify to sit for that exam, but I didn't qualify it, honestly. Like I was unable to qualify JEE advance, but I did sit for that exam, and that's a very big deal for me. I did something. I still have that admit card. I'll frame it. Yeah. So yeah. And then after that, I gave my CUET exam, for which I was least serious, like CUET, who studies for that exam? And trust me, I didn't study for that exam, but still I managed to score like 98 percentile in maths, and something 96, 97 percentile in GAT. And by GAT, I'm in this college. I'll come to that story later. So in July, I went for my first ever semi-solo trip to Delhi. Like I asked my parents कि ले चलो मुझे कहीं पे घूमने. I also deserve some outing after so much of struggles and my boards, my everything, every shit. They were like, we don't have time. So I was like, okay, I'm going alone with my grandma. So I visited Delhi at my uncle's place, and there I explored the whole Delhi. Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Taj Mahal, Agra as well. Also, another peak moment in my life, I met Fukra Insan, like one of the biggest YouTubers. We did a handshake. Yeah, bro, I'm also something big deal. And oh, these are the canon events of my life. Sorry, I did forgot the term. Canon events. And then after, also, I did have my first solo flight. Can you imagine? Solo flight at the age of 18. Oh my god. All by myself. I checked in. I did a vlog. Also, early in the morning at 5:30 a.m. I did spend 800 rupees on my meal. That was another canon event. Like my gharwale, they did give me money to spend on stuff, like buy things, but I'm a foodie. So why not spend it on food, yaar? I had Starbucks. It was tasty, no doubt. And that was all it. After that, struggles of my college speaking, people have questioned like, from JEE mains, why did you do BTech? Why did you choose BTech? So I wanted to do BTech in aerospace, which I was not getting, unfortunately. So I thought to step back and I chose this line, Bachelor's in Forensic Science. Forensic Science is interesting. I mean, yeah, it is interesting. I get to study science, law, arts, everything here. So why not give it a try? So I gave it a try. So at first, on 30th July, we traveled to Bhubaneswar to take admission in Centurion University. But God had other plans. Just the next day, merit list of GGU was out, Guru Ghasidas University, and I topped the list. So obviously, if I'm topping some of the central government universities, I'll take admission here. That's common sense. So then we flew all over from Kolkata to Chhattisgarh to Bilaspur. We landed here on 18th of August 2025. We did my admission formalities, and by 20th of August 2025, I was shifted in this hostel. This is my room, my hostel room, which I tried to make home, but I failed miserably. I'm a very unorganized insan, sort of. Anyways, and then my life turned sort of upside down, like first time without parents, managing my bills, everything, like manage your accounts, manage yourself, manage everything, and do not take any like bad steps, sort of. I didn't take. I am full confident on myself. So my first canon event in GGU was that Ganesh Chaturthi. There I met one of my very good friends. I'll mention that person later. So yeah, it was great. Ganesh Chaturthi. Then we had Teachers' Day. After that, that Garba shit. Oh my god, that was a well thing. I dressed up whole as a girl, girly stuff. Oh my god. Oh, right now I'm also wearing a kurti, girly stuff. Can you imagine? After being bhai to almost 10-15 guys, I'm still a girl. Anyways, then I traveled back to Kolkata to celebrate Durga Puja. Again, I landed on Bilaspur for a week. Then again, I went back home to celebrate Diwali. Then I came here, was a bit stressed about assignments and internals and everything. But again, I flew back to my home in December to celebrate New Year. Then I came back, semester started, I gave my semesters, and after that again I flew back home. And we went over a trip to Sandakphu, Nepal. My first international trip, sort of. Yeah. And again I came back here, subject selection, this, that, everything went like so fast. And another canon event happened. I traveled alone to Assam for my karate event, and it was great. Without parents, I just traveled whole North India and also this middle part of India, Chhattisgarh. So it was great. Like I learned how to live while struggling. Traveled in sleeper class and everything, every other shit was okay. I enjoyed it. And now today is 23rd, and on 8th my semesters will start, my second semester, which is just of 3 months. I mean, what the hell, college wale? Khair. Just knocking on the door, and I have studied nothing. I have to study. I don't know how will I cover up so many shits. So yeah, and I'm making this video, like my birthday is on 29th April. So like after 10 years, when I'm stalking my own YouTube channel, I'm like, oh my god, what is this video? Canon events of 18? What is that? I'll open it and I hear these shits which I've said from my mouth. And I have decided that I'll do this on every birthdays. Like every year I will give a recap to myself. So, coming to my friends, I made really great bhais here. Actually, to be honest, I don't prefer making female friends because I have a sort of past disrupt in female friendships, which forbids me to trust females, to be honest. That's why I have so many male friends, and that's not a red flag in a girl, okay? You should know your limits while making friends, which I'm very well aware of myself. So, my bhaichara gang, love to you guys. I mean, we became friends because of, one of us wanted to have a setting with somebody. Like that, we became friends, and now we share everything with each other. We just come to a group, and there we are always sharing reels related to each other. Like we are like a cup of crazy 4 people. So special mention to my friends. First, I will mention Ayush Chakraborty. He's not from my department, but he is somebody I met in Ganesha Chaturthi, and he has been a great friend plus detective and every other thing I can say. I mean, bro, if you guys are thinking that why this girl is single, even after going to college, the reason is this guy. If I'm liking somebody, this guy Ayush Chakraborty, he'll be a detective, and he'll give me 100 reasons why I should not fall for that person. I mean, I appreciate that, but sometimes you should not keep things so much transparent, yaar. Hesitate, please. Anyways, and my class wale dost, Shanky, Prabhat, Jayesh, and JP. I mean, guys, how did I find you all? Out of nowhere. You guys just randomly came in my life, bro. And I ride bikes with them and I enjoy, honestly. And Shanky, he is the male version of mine. I mean, you were born like 12 days ago of mine. So तू मेरा ही वर्शन है भाई. बस थोड़े दिन पहले निकल गया. हम दोनों की हाइट भी सेम है. शायद तुम्हें से 2 दिन छोटा भी लगता है. कोई नहीं. भाई भाई. और क्या भाई बहन. So yeah, these peeps. And coming to the most suspicious topic. My dating life. Like, I have not dated anybody, but still my dating life. So let me reveal. I have never been on dates like in my hometown, okay? I've never dated anybody. But after coming here, I did go on 3 dates. 3 dates. Also, before coming to my dating story, I will mention one thing. While that Ganesh Chaturthi shit, not shit, while that Ganesh Chaturthi thing, I saw many people of a particular department and I manifested standing there that God, if you are giving somebody in my life, may that person be from that department. And Ganesh ji, he took my wordings so seriously that I went on 3 dates with 3 different persons from the same department. क्या बुरा होना था और कुछ बुरा नहीं चाहिए मेरे को जीवन में. So I ghosted the guy. Okay. So first date in October, second in November, and third in February. But I ghosted the third guy because he was too old. I mean, no, dude. I want somebody of my age. And yeah, that's it. Not that's it. By the way, I don't know. I think that I've turned into a red flag. I mean, the khichdi I'm pakawing in my life, all my close friends knows about those things. वैसे देखो, since I have guy friends, I have an attitude like IDGAF. Even they also have attitude like VDGAF. Like तेरा बंदा है तो वो हमारा भी कुछ लगता है, ऐसा वाला सिनेरियो है. So yeah, बाकी I wouldn't want to discuss about this shit much. And छोटा सा थिंग इज लाइक इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट माई लाइफ भाई, उस पर आप लोग अपना ओपिनियन मत दीजिए, बस सुनिए, है ना. ओके. तो मज़ा आता है. ऑल्सो मैं सबको मेंशन की बट आई डिड फॉरगेट 3 फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन. हाँ, सैट्स, केसी एंड टेल्सी. आई मीन, लव गाइज, आई मिस यू गाइज. I miss being with you all. Yeah, Sats and Casey, like our bond just expanded after I moved out of West Bengal. Like मैं उनसे इतना कभी वेस्ट बंगाल में रह के नहीं मिली थी जितना मैं बाहर रह के मिलती हूँ. I am going for 2 days in Kolkata. I'm like, hey guys, let's meet. Come up. We are meeting. Oh, we are very spontaneous, like friends right now. And that's it. No, not that's it. I want to speak more. Also, I'm very desperate. Like, I have been very desperate to have a boyfriend. But मुझे मिल नहीं रहा और मुझे चाहिए नहीं क्योंकि, after seeing the situations here, I can say that the boyfriends are dominating. And I'm a person who has been liberal since 18 years. And my parents, they're also liberal on me. They're like, jo marzi karo. So why should I go on somebody's comment? I'm happily single unless and until Khat plays that one paragraph, like one stanza or one line of Khat. I'm singing it. I'm very bad singer. But if you have heard me since 14 minutes, please bear with this part as well. तेरे लिए हम बने हैं, तेरे लिए बदल रहे क्या मोहब्बत हो गई है, तेरी ही तेरी बातें करे। आई मीन मुझे भी डेडिकेट करना है भाई किसी को। लोगों जीवन में भाई बन के रह चुकी हूँ, बट आई एम लविंग बीइंग पीपल्स भाई। कभी ना कभी डेडिकेट कर ही दूंगी आई गेस किसी को। एंड you know what, if you meet me and if you're not close to me, you will find me as a very shy child. I don't speak much, but I love speaking in front of camera because I'm seeing myself and it seems like I'm speaking to myself. Also, you know what, I hate calls. लेकिन कॉलेज में आके okay, when people need me they are calling me, but sometimes some people they just call to gossip. मुझे पसंद नहीं है भाई कॉल पे गॉसिप करना। टेक्स्ट किया करो ना, 15 मिनट तक कोई देखेगा तो नहीं मेरे वीडियो पे, तो ही किसी को क्या ही पता चलेगा मैंने ये वाला स्टेटमेंट दिया है। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं, इफ आई लाइक यू आई विल रूइन माई स्लीप शेड्यूल टू टॉक टू यू, ओके? आई विल टॉक यार। आई टॉक बट आई ओनली टॉक टू लिमिटेड पीपल। ऐसा नहीं कि सारा दिन कान पे ऐसे लग कर हेलो हेलो हेलो। एक तो मुझे कोई कॉल करता है तो आई एम अ स्पीकर, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे बात करना पसंद नहीं है भाई, जमता नहीं है मेरे को। आई एम वेरी चौंचल पर्सन फ्रॉम इनसाइड आई गेस, आई डोंट नो यार। एनीवेज, सो आई कांट जस्ट digest the fact that I'll be 19 यार। 19, oh my god, 19, this kid on 19, how on the earth, shit, I deserve more time being 18. एंड यार अगर देख रहे हो तो भाई, मेरे भाई बहन तो नहीं, जो भी देख रहे हो, क्या बताओ यार, सेंड रिश्तेदार, मेरे को भी चाहिए कोई। जस्ट किडिंग, आई एम नॉट लुकिंग टू डेट राइट नाउ। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इन माई लाइफ, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम हैप्पी विद वॉट एवर आई हैव, थैंक यू। दिस इज जस्ट यू नो to divert the mind of people, and that's it. I've been speaking since 17 minutes, and if you have watched this video till the end, I love you. Honestly, I love you. Whoever you are a legend. Like, you have invested 17 minutes on me. Thank you so much. You just heard me yapping and nothing else. And I am not forcing you to watch this video. अपने रिस्क पे देखना, ये मैं खुद ही देखूँगी 17 साल 10 साल बाद मैं खुद ही देखूँगी। And I'll continue this ritual. Every year I'll come by the end of April and I'll say what are the canon events in my life. Also, मैं बिलासपुर घूमी हूँ। The bike rides, they were my favorite. Bike rides तो नहीं, स्कूटी पे घूमती हूँ। कभी कभार अगर कोई बुलेट लेके आ जाए तो मैं बुलेट पे भी घूम लेती हूँ, लेकिन ज़्यादातर आई एम रोमिंग इन स्कूटी। बट या ऑल्सो यू नो आई जस्ट डिड राइड अ स्कूटी, इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटी, बट कैंपस पे मैंने चलाया उसको। वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर मी। आई हैव टू पटाई माई पेरेंट्स टू अलाउ मी टू ब्रिंग माई नहीं देयर स्कूटी हियर। खैर, तो चलो गाइस, आज के लिए इतना ही। It was a less energetic video cause I just returned from my college and अभी मेरा रूम खाली था तो मैंने शूट कर लिया। So keep loving me. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe. Stay well, stay hydrated. It's too hot here. You will just get boilified if you just go out of your home without any protection. And cover picture के लिए चाहिए ना, रुको। Love to you all. Stay well, stay happy, but don't become a red flag and be loyal. Like I am loyal. If I'm talking to somebody, I'm very loyal, okay? That's why I'm not looking for somebody right now. Okay, so yeah, bye-bye. It was nice yapping to myself. Because this video will be only watched by me. और अगर इस पे मैंने देखा कि भाई 50 व्यूज़ आ गए तो मैं मारूंगी लोगों को पकड़ के, तुम लोग मेरे ऐसे तो वीडियोस नहीं देखते और इन सब वीडियोस में 50-100 व्यूज़ ला रहे हो हैं। चलो फिर। Bye bye. It was nice talking to myself, and I'll meet someday once again. Bye bye.